The growth of 5G fixed wireless access broadband continues to accelerate, but as deployments scale, performance challenges are affecting service quality. High-band 5G signals struggle to penetrate indoors. Low-band networks face congestion as capacity gets prioritized for mobile devices. An inconsistent CPE installation creates unreliable performance in homes and businesses. Vantiva has developed innovative solutions to address these challenges. Our patented indoor 5G antenna system strengthens high-band signal reception indoors. RuralBoost improves low-band spectral efficiency to reduce congestion. And the Vantiva NaviGate 5G app guides users through accurate CPE placement and setup. As mobile operators accelerate new service launches, they need solutions that build on existing infrastructure while addressing these real-world deployment challenges. That's why we created Cobra 5G, Vantiva's advanced solution for small office and home office environments. Cobra 5G is built for small businesses and remote workers who need consistent performance and reliable connectivity. It integrates indoor 5G, RuralBoost, and 8RX cellular technology for robust connection quality. It delivers market-leading Wi-Fi performance for demanding environments. One sensing backup provides automatic failover from Ethernet to 5G, ensuring service continuity. And 5 Ethernet ports support multiple wired connections for productivity-driven workspaces. For residential subscribers, we developed Condor 5G, a solution that simplifies the home broadband experience. Condor 5G delivers the same performance and reliability as Cobra 5G, but in a smaller package optimized for residential use. It includes our patented indoor 5G and RuralBoost technologies, allowing operators to deliver the same speeds with lower network utilization and extended cell reach. With Wi-Fi 7, Condor 5G projects bandwidth throughout the home, with all the capabilities today's modern subscribers expect. Hawk 5G joins Vantiva's FWA portfolio as a next-generation indoor gateway built for 3GPP Release 18 networks. Its near-window indoor design maximizes signal quality. Second-generation indoor 5G 8RX antennas improve reception, coverage, and spectrum efficiency, helping operators serve more users with the same network resources. To learn more about Vantiva's FWA offering, visit vantiva.com.